I'm showing you how to make pickled onions, and here they are. And here, of course, is my friend trying one on some biscuits. What do you think, Pon? He would like more, please. Ingredients you'll need: onions, a jar of your choice, mustard seeds, peppercorns, sugar, salt, and white vinegar. Now you're going to put it in a saucepan and bring it to a boil, and then set it to the side while you cut up your onions. Here I am putting everything into the saucepan. 1 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a cup of sugar, and your choice in the amount of mustard seeds. Side note, you can use your onion skins to dye things. So here I am about to cut up the onions. Chop, chop, chop. So you could have these pickled onions on literally everything you'd like. Like you could have them on curries, scrambled eggs, burgers, whatever you'd like. So here I am pouring the brine into the onions. I'm going to put it in my fridge and let it sit for a few days, and you're ready to go. You could also add more sugar if you'd like a little bit more sweeter. So how easy was that, guys? Give it a go. Cheers!